Last week at the podcast show in London, two people I met handed over their phones, and within about 5 seconds I was able to point out two key things they needed to change on their LinkedIn profiles that was going to really help them to get found by their ideal clients. My name is Louise Brogan, and our agency helps people with their content marketing on LinkedIn using video content first. If you're interested in hearing more about that, then do check out the links below in the show notes. What was it that I was doing on someone's phone that helped them understand how to use LinkedIn better? Let's jump across to LinkedIn, and I'm going to show you exactly what changes you need to make sure you have made on your profile to start bringing you more leads and sales. You meet somebody at an event, and you go to connect with them on LinkedIn. So let's pretend I just met Luke at an event, and you look at their profile. What is wrong with this image? How do you build your know, like and trust factor when someone is not actually looking at your face? We'll pick on Liz Graham here. So Liz is looking at the camera. However, it's a really busy background here. And if we click on this other person, Jillian, the camera is not even in the right focus. You want your profile photograph to be you smiling, looking into the camera. Humans connect with humans, even though it's a social media platform. And when we see your face and you're smiling into the camera, we are going to connect with you so much faster than someone who's looking off to the side. And another example here is somebody who has not set their profile photograph to visible. Really quick fix. If this is your profile, go to the Me drop-down menu, click on View Profile. You will see on the right-hand side, Public Profile and URL. If you click on the pencil, we want to make your profile open to the public so people can see you. So you edit visibility here, scroll down, your profile's public visibility set to on, and then you want to have your profile photo, this bit here, set to public so that when someone comes across your profile, whether it is on LinkedIn or off LinkedIn, they can see your face and they are much more likely to connect with you as a result. So that was the very first thing I saw on these people's profiles where I was like, oh, you need to change that immediately. People want to see your face and connect with you as a result. So the second thing is their headlines. So if you look at this person here, it says Claire Okmati and it says professional relationship and divorce coach straight off the back. When you look at someone's profile who is a CEO or a founder, that is what people have as their headline. Marcus Sheridan's is great. One of the most engaging keynote speakers on the planet. Brilliant. It's really easy to find these because all I've done is type founder into the search. We're going to see a whole list of people who've got founder as their LinkedIn headline and tells us nothing about what they do. Founder at Arrival, founder at Fat Joe. We don't know who they are, who they help, or what they do based on these headlines. So instead of that, I want you to create a profile headline. So your profile photograph so we can see your face, and then your headline should tell us who you help and what you do. Here's Megan Downs. Megan is an SEO website copywriter for high-end service providers. When we look at Megan's profiles, you want this to show in your first line of the headline because it not only shows up on your profile, when you scroll down and you look at someone's comments on LinkedIn, so we'll scroll down and click on comments. She's written a comment, but we can see SEO website copywriter for high-end service providers. That is where your headline speaks to people. So in this interesting list of people, your friendly Google Analytics geek, email marketing for e-commerce brands. I mean, that is a great one, Sarah Stiffen. Think about, does your headline speak to people and tell them what you do and who you do it for? So 2 things to change on your LinkedIn profile today. Make sure your headshot is looking straight at people and make sure your headline tells us what you do, who you do it for. Good luck, and let me know any thoughts you have on this down in the comments below.